I want to get back now to the story about plans for a child abuse registry right here in Michigan. 7 Action News reporter Brianne Palmerini joins us live now to tell us about how this effort all started. Good morning, Brianne.
Well, good morning, Anu. It's been a long road for one mother, gathering thousands of signatures and caring for her son who was a victim of abuse. Erica Hamill has started the idea. She says if a child abuse registry would have been available sooner, she could have protected her son. Her son Wyatt was a victim of abuse after being in the hands of her ex-husband's new girlfriend. Hamill said she had asked the judge not to grant overnight stays to her husband due to concerns about his girlfriend, but she couldn't find any proof to validate those concerns, and the judge granted overnight stays. That's when the abuse happened, and Wyatt has been in the hospital dozens of times since then and is still in therapy. Now, after gathering thousands of signatures, that registry, which would be similar to a sex offender registry, could become a reality. Now, today in Mount Clemens, 3 state representatives will announce their intentions to introduce legislation to make this child abuse registry a thing of reality, the law. They hope that it will become voted into law. Of course, we'll stay up on that and let you know when that happens. Live in Detroit, Brianne Palmerini, 7 Action News.
Okay.